Homeowners insurance doesn't automatically cover the full value of your belongings, and the gap can be significant depending on how your policy is written. Personal property coverage, often called Coverage C, protects your belongings, things like furniture, electronics, clothing, appliances, and similar items. The key factor is how losses are settled: actual cash value or replacement cost value. Actual cash value accounts for depreciation. A 5-year-old laptop that cost $1,200 when you bought it may be worth $300 at claim time, and an actual cash value policy pays that $300 rather than what it would cost to replace your laptop today. Replacement cost value, on the other hand, pays what it costs to buy a new equivalent item today. Replacement cost value coverage typically costs more in premium, but the difference in payouts after a major loss can be substantial. Standard policies also cap coverage on high value items. Jewelry, art, musical instruments, and collectibles often have limits far below their actual worth. Separate coverage for those items with an agreed value closes that gap. Before a loss happens, create a home inventory: photos, serial numbers, and estimated replacement costs for significant items. It can speed up the claims process and improve payout accuracy.